Welcome. In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere here you will find the hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here, and once you see yours, if you're doing this the first time around, you'll want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. Now, if you don't even want to change any of these settings, I do recommend just checking out the password, because by default it is randomly generated. So in reality, without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. And number two, obviously you can change it while you're at it, because this password isn't the greatest. Now your new password will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Press OK to save it, and that's it. Now once you have changed your password, assuming you wanted to, which I do say, I really recommend changing it. Once you have done that, you can then find the toggle once more, and this time around, simply press on it. This will toggle it on, and from here you can connect to your hotspot. Once you're done with your hotspot needs, you can turn off the hotspot by clicking on the toggle once again. And if I've seen correctly, yep, there was an option to turn off hotspot automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity, which is a very handy thing to have enabled, as hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery. So if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background, and I personally would kind of forget to turn it off. So this is a very nice option. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.